Welcome to Steel Construction Detailing, where we provide high-quality steel fabrication drawing services that help turn design ideas into accurate, ready-to-build plans. Our team of skilled engineers and detailers uses the latest tools like Tekla Structures, AutoCAD, and Revit to prepare detailed shop drawings, erection plans, and connection details for all types of steel structures. These drawings act as a clear guide for fabricators and builders, ensuring every beam, column, and joint is placed perfectly. By focusing on accuracy and clarity, we help reduce errors, avoid costly rework, and keep your projects running smoothly and on time. Whether it's an industrial plant, commercial complex, or residential building, our detailed drawings improve coordination between design, fabrication, and installation teams. At Steel Construction Detailing, we aim to make your construction process more efficient, cost-effective, and stress-free with reliable and easy-to-understand fabrication drawings. To learn more about our steel fabrication detailing services or request a free quote, visit www.steelconstructiondetailing.com today.